Okay, as we look at the Aussie dollar here, you can see that price has been hitting up against this chocolate zone here on the weekly time frame, and this level is very, very big, and it's been getting hit a lot. So it's from 76.86 all the way up to 78.48. Now, because it's been hitting so much up here, and just due to the price action that I see coming up, I'm thinking that we are going to continue to the upside here over the next week and long term is really what I'm looking to have happen. There's been a real good money bounce off of this level, and we've formed a continuation zone, and it looks like we're just going to be keeping on here, and looks like a possible new trend. Now, as soon as this zone breaks, that's when I would, and price closes above this 78.48 level, that's when I would classify this as a new trend. But until then, technically, we could still see range around here, but I'm thinking that this week we're going to accelerate to the upside. Looking at the daily time frame here, you can see that we have a nice little continuation and a lot of consolidation that we've just broken out of to the upside here, and I'm looking for that up move to continue on here again to the highs up here at 78.48. So price did a real nice job consolidating, breaking out to the upside, and I'm looking for that to continue on here this week. Here on the 60-minute, I think this is really interesting how we got the breakout of all that consolidation that we've been in and out of the range. And now we've seen a breakout. And so now we're looking at a retest of those previous highs in this wonderful little zone here that was formed as we continue on to the upside. So from 77 even down to 76.85. It looks like it's a wonderful level here for us. On New Zealand dollar this week, I think this is very interesting how we've been rallying up here for the past several weeks, and then we stopped short of this weekly level here at 74.94. Okay, just stopped short just a little bit. Okay, and now we've retraced back to the downside. The interesting thing about this is that as we've retraced back to the downside here, we have now a retest of that high, okay? And we just put in an outside bar to the downside. Now, technically speaking, I would like to see this continue on down a little bit further down before retesting the high at 74.85. But I think that this outside bar really leads to a real good retracement area, and we've really been moving up here for the past few weeks, and I would like to continue on doing so into the 74.85 area. Looking over here at the daily time frame now, this is where I think it gets interesting. We saw the outside bar on the weekly and a push back down. Look at where we have found support. This is a wonderful level here, and really leads to a nice pullback in my opinion. So we're looking at roughly, let's just say 150, 160 pips to the previous highs, and with minor risk of only 86 pips. Okay, so that to me is a really good risk to reward ratio if you're looking to enter somewhere around in this area to the upside, just trying to follow that trend. Notice that we had the daily trend line broken here, and we've just been rallying up into the highs since that point. Now we've gotten kind of a correction back to it. So I would like to see price retest the highs here at 73.10 and really potentially break over here at 74.84 again at this previous high over here. So we will see how price works out here over this next week, but I could easily see the retest of the highs happen. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see the support and resistance that we have playing out here, and Note that this 4-hour zone ends here at 43.07. A wonderful little bounce here from this little yellow zone here from 71.35 and 71.17. So a wonderful little money bounce off of, actually that's not a money bounce, that's the second bounce off of that zone. And we can see a little bit of the support and resistance coming into play. So, but after we get through this little aqua level here, it looks like we have some space to roll to the upside. Nice support found here and a higher low, and it looks like we have room to run.